Hi cuties, I am back with another cook with Mish video. I just wanted to say that these are not all of these are gonna be like recipe videos, because today I'm gonna make a hamburger and I'm not making the meat myself. I'm not making any bread myself. What else would you make yourself? I just bought hamburger meat from the store and I thought you could join me cook. With my air fryer, of course. I have already cucumber, tomato, and yellow onion there. I had this. I actually ate hamburger like 2 days ago. I made one, but I had another type of meat. This is like fake chicken, and this is what I usually get for like Max is a fast food chain that I love, and this is their like fake chicken meat. Crispy no chicken burger. It's soy. It's vegan. Nice. I'm gonna pop this into the air fryer. I wish I had the other meat though, because that was really good. I think it was anamma. I don't know, it's a Swedish one. I will put it up here, a picture of it. It's like vegan food. So I'll pop this in the air fryer for like 10 minutes maybe. Are you okay? Yeah, it's really fucking hot here today. And yes, I'm in a sweater. The same sweater, but a blue one this time. Last time was pink, I believe. If you haven't seen that video, I will link down below. Guacamole, guacamole. Guacamole, guacamole. Peel the avocado. Peel the banana. Peel the avocado. By the way, I still haven't eaten that yellow watermelon. I think I should do that today. Sorry guys, I don't have a second camera to film what I'm doing down here. I'm not really doing anything special. Cutting an avocado. Did you guys like my last video about, my last video about like cooking? It wasn't my last video, but the latest cooking one that I made. What else would you want me to do? Bake or something? I know I said that last time, but like, I don't think anyone... That's so sad. I don't think anyone responded to my taco salad if you wanted me to show you my taco salad. I don't think anyone said anything. So I'm not gonna do that. By the way, don't forget to follow my Instagram, Lil Daisy Art. Don't forget to follow my ASMR channel, Mish ASMR. And I'm actually posting this video today too, actually. Wow, I'm such a YouTuber. Oh yeah, it's 8 days left until it's the Rammstein concert. Tomorrow is 1 week, and I think I'm gonna vlog because we're driving there. I think it takes like, I don't know how long it takes to drive to Gothenburg from here, maybe 2 or 3 hours. I thought I could vlog in the car. Obviously I'm not gonna be able to vlog at the concert because music, and like I couldn't put that in my video because copyright probably. Guess I could film some clips. But so if you have anything that you want me to talk about, or if you have any questions for me that I should answer in the car on my way there, let me know. My dad is also gonna be with me. Sea salt. Paprika. Black pepper. This is for my avocado. And my favorite, lemon pepper. Also my favorite, grillkrydda. I actually don't know if it has an actual name. I know that a lot of Swedes say grillkrydda. I mean, that's what it says on the spice bottle thing, but I don't know what it is in English. I guess it's also just grill spice or all over spice. I don't know, all around spice. I don't fucking know. I've actually started, I say it as if I've done it, and I've done it for a while. I've done it once. I put avocado on my burger. It's good. I feel like yellow onion is like onion that you cook. Red onion is onion that you use that's raw, but like this, I'm gonna use this raw in my burger. I like it. Do you guys like onion? I know a lot of people didn't like tomatoes. I talked about last time. Freaks, a lot of you say that you don't like the texture. I don't understand. The texture is nice. You like cucumbers though? Open. That was for the creeps, not for the girlies. Okay, so I got everything ready there. Now I want to show you what sauce that I use. This is also from the same brand as fast food chain. I'm sorry. I mean, in Sweden, if you are from Sweden, or maybe, I don't know if Max exists like in Denmark or anywhere else. I have no idea. But this one I use original dressing. I don't know what it is actually. Like what it, ketchup, tomato puree, vinegar. Okay. Celery? Okay. I don't know. And green and garlic. Oh, so good. This one I love to dip my potatoes in or nuggets when I get actual like food from this fast food chain, not like this that I make myself. Food from the fast food chain, I love to dip it in this. So I actually have some nuggets in the freezer that I'm also gonna cook in the air fryer. It gets so crispy in the air fryer. Like, so my dad, I'm gonna show you these. Wait, 1 second. These are called crispy buffalo bites, and they are vegan. I think vegan or vegetarian. Yeah, vegan. So it is something called oomph. I don't know, I have no idea what that's called in English or if it's called the same. No idea. I mean, it says in English, crispy buffalo bites. These are so good. And my dad, he's tried them before and they are good. But when I cooked them in the air fryer, my dad was like, oh my God, they're so crispy. I was like, So I tried it. So crispy. So I'm gonna add some of these. Then little nuggets. These are crispy nuggets. They are also vegan, so it's soy, it says there. It's like meat and they are so good. They taste just like regular nuggets. Also, I don't remember what regular nuggets taste like. Cheese. A regular cheese here. I'm gonna show you. There we go. And there we go. And there we go. Maybe one more. Ooh, that was not a good one. Why is it so dark? Okay, good enough. You know what I could just sit and eat? I actually don't give a shit if you find it disgusting, to be honest. But you might find it disgusting. I don't know. If anyone agrees, I can just sit and eat these. I can just sit and eat mozzarella in Swedish. Mozzarella. I don't know, mozzarella? I don't fucking know how you say it in English. I don't know how all you Americans say it. Mozzarella. You guys are mozzarella. I can just sit and eat these. That doesn't have to be mini, but does anyone agree? Let me know. Because they are a bomb. Honestly. So good. Oh, they're done. Or it's done. Nice. The bread is this, also from Max. Sorry. Hamburger bread. I just love that fast food chain. And if I can make it at home, that's amazing. I'm gonna put it on a plate or a bowl. Apparently, that's the first thing I grab. You are on top of my air fryer now. I hope it's not too hot for you. Not that we need it anyways in this fucking, I was gonna say country, but like world. It's so hot everywhere apparently. So I'm gonna put these in now. I'm gonna do it in the same way. And I think my dad also wants some, so I'm gonna add some more. So good. That's what they look like. Obviously you'll, oh my God, I dropped a piece of paper into it. Oh, yeah, let's put all of them. My dad also wants some. Oh, for fuck's sake, another one. Another one. Everybody knows that I'm a good girl, officer. No, I wouldn't do a thing like that. That's for sure. The house was already on fire. I swear I'm not a liar. Do you have a girl? I don't see a ring on your finger. Well, that's interesting. Have you ever thought of dating a singer? Flames are getting higher, so swipe beside her. Anyone who knows where that's from, 1 point to you. The person who knew the Sims song for my cleaning video, I'm so sorry I didn't answer it right. I saw it and I forgot to answer. I always answer comments. So sorry. But 2 points to you. 3 points. Baddie. We're baddies. It's so cringy, the baddie thing, but I still say it. Well, that's interesting. Have you ever thought of dating a singer? 200 degrees for 10 minutes. What does it sound like? Is it loud? I'm so naughty. 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 Another thing that I like to do, I say it as if I do it pretty often, even though this is literally the second time I'm doing it now. I put these in the air fryer too, and I should have done that before I put those in. I put these in. The cheese here. Why is my dad calling? Hello? Yeah, that's I. My dad just told me that he's picking up my grandma. And now we'll wait for those. Alrighty, girls. Oh, that was very bright. The cheese is melted. And there was a hair, but that happens. There is no specific way that I do this. I don't give a shit. Don't come at me and being like, no, you should put that first. I don't care. I do what I want. I put the dressing thingy here. So these are just small tomatoes. I usually have the big ones, but I don't have any big ones now. I just had these small ones. So that's gonna have to do. Cucumber. I have my onion. I put a lot. Baby, I like it the way you move. Then I put some of the guacamole, or no, it's literally just avocado. And what the hell is the difference between just mushed avocado and guacamole? I guess the guacamole has like maybe some tomatoes, some paprika and stuff, right? Or pepper, sorry. We have the meat, which is not that warm anymore. I wish I had like regular, you know, the regular fake meat and not like fake chicken meat. But it's still really good though. Don't get me wrong. Then I get a little bit more of this. Oh, did I move the camera? Sorry. And then more of this. I'm gonna be honest, I don't do this in order, like the same way every single time. I'm pretending like I do, but I don't. And then the lettuce. Yeah, I did not think this through. I was supposed to put that there, but that's fine. We work it out on this channel. It's only happy little mistakes. No, happy little accidents or whatever the hell he says. Said. Sorry. Rest in peace. There we go. That works out. Look at that, bitches. And then you just eat whatever's left. I will be back when the other things are ready. Cheers. My food is done. It looks a little bit weird, the hamburger. Don't care. So, to remind you, you know this because you watched the video. I hope. That was raw onion. We have the bread, cheese, tomatoes, avocado, and all the spices, cucumber, yellow onion, lettuce, the dressing, the fake chicken meat, and that's it in the hamburger. And then the nuggets and the crispy buffalo wings. Everything's not entirely vegan. I mean, the cheese isn't vegan, the sauce isn't vegan, everything else is vegan, but it's at least vegetarian. I know a lot of people think that I'm vegan for some reason, but I mean, I get it maybe because I do eat a lot of vegan food. But like, I show when I eat a lot of, I mean, I eat sushi all the time, and I love fish. Fish is something I'm never gonna give up. Never gonna give you up. You know, I will never give up fish, shrimp, any seafood. Dairy I could give up, no problem. I mean, I don't eat any other meat other than fish or seafood, so nothing can convince me to stop eating that. Love it. Can't live without salmon and shrimp. So I have the garlic, green and garlic dip. Listen to this. I don't know, I want to show you how crispy it was. I don't know if you can hear it as well as I can hear it. This is a small piece, but these are not as crispy on the inside. I'm gonna eat this now. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more cooking videos, here you go, bitch. I posted one 3 days after I posted the other one, right? Has it been 3 days since I posted that video? 2 days? I don't know. I don't know. What? Oh. I'm painting a door white today, and I'm gonna time-lapse that, which I did with the fence too, because we painted the fence, and that goes into my kitchen. I'm sorry. So that will be added into next video or whatever we do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you want more cooking videos with me, let me know down below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please leave a comment down below because it helps with the algorithm. I love reading your comments and answering them. I answer like all the comments except for like creepy, weird ones. Okay, this is really yummy. If you want me to bake or make anything else, maybe bake too, let me know down below. Maybe you have something that you want me to try. I did try that tomato soup in my first, I mean, it's not first cook with mish, right? I mean, the third one. No, the first one. I don't know if it is the first one. You know which one, making tomato soup. That one was a hit. I tried that from TikTok. So if there's anything, maybe I could try food from TikTok. I don't know. If there's anything you find, then send it to me. If there's any TikTok foods or whatever you want me to try, send it to me on Instagram, Lil Daisy Art, and we can talk. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. I love you, bye.